What's up, TV watchers on the tube? It's your girl marnitv, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. Gang. In today's video, I will just be showing y'all how I put on my closure wig. It's an old wig that I had, and I just brought it back to life and put that thing on my head in the beginning. Y'all just gonna see me all of my scalp. And all that. As I can see, the back of them braids was a little tight. I had to loosen them up a little bit. Here I'm just showing you guys the wig. Look at that lace. I cleaned that lace. Look at that lace. Look at that lace. That's a clean lace. Not gonna lie, I realized now when I was doing my head, I was bugging. Because what am I doing? First of all, what am I doing? I look crazy. And then I put this shit on my head and I didn't even use it. I realized I didn't even need this shit. Just look at the disappointment in my face. Just look at that shit. Chill. All that struggle for what? Anyways, now y'all just gonna see me apply the wig. I'm gonna just speed up the whole process. It's pretty much simple as you see. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe. Road to 1K. And what do I always say? Don't forget that you are beautiful and there's no better you than you.
kind of like it. I kind of like it. Kind of don't. Kind of do, kind of don't. As I've already freestyle right now, so I don't know what to say, to do. Yes. Yeah. This is it. Yeah. 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 Okay. I think this is it though. I'm giving like I don't even know what I'm giving. I feel like I combed it out.
You know, bitches love acting like they don't know who I am. I'm your fucking inspiration, mama. Stop playing.